Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make page on Sellfy. So first head over to sellfy.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Next at the left panel, click on Store Settings, then click on Customize Store. This will then redirect you to your store's editor page. Once again, look in the left panel, scroll down, and here you should be able to see the Add Page button. Just click on it to create a new page. Next is start adding details about your page. Add your page title. So the construction of this page depends on the purpose that you would like to use it for. So say for example, we want to dedicate this page for our frequently asked questions page. And the URL slug also change it to FAQ page as this will serve as the URL that the customers will enter on their URL for them to be able to view this page. Then next is start adding modules. And now since we're trying to do or build this page as an FAQ page or frequently asked questions page, of course we're going to add modules that we can use to construct the FAQ page. We can use text panel, so just click on add new module. You can also modify the module block appearance, change the size and block heights, and of course the background and colors, and start adding contents. So here you can add questions and answers to the questions, or you can also embed codes. Then once done, head over and click on the publish button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!